Here's the code we developed for Program 1 of Unit 11. You can check the screencast for details, but the only real change is that in place of these three important parameters, the size of the field, of the goal, and of the ball, the code we have here uses these names: field size, goal size, and ball size. Now in Program 2, we'd like to arrange things so that when the ball is first placed on the playing field, it will not automatically score. We'd like to place the ball at random, but so that it will not automatically score. Our basic plan is to choose a position for the ball and then to check to see if it will score. We'll write a function called willScore. We'll pass it these two parameters that say where the ball has been located, and it will be true if, in fact, the ball will score given its current position. If it will, then we'd like to choose a new position. This code chooses the new position, so we'll add it here. Let's think this out again. Choose a position at random. If that position would lead the ball to score, then this will be true and we'll choose a new position. Then we check the position again to see if it will score again. If this second randomly chosen position will score, we choose a third. The program remains inside this loop so long as the position of the ball is such that it will score. When it leaves the while, that must mean that the ball position has been chosen so that it will not score, which is exactly what we want. Before we start to write the willScore function, however, look how much repeated code we have. This piece here is repeated once, twice, 3 times. It was repeated before, but now things are even worse. Let's fix that problem first. We'll write a function that chooses two numbers in this way and passes them both back in a list. Then we'll be able to assign both numbers at once this way. We'll call our function random ball position. If we write it that way, we won't need to repeat the code here, and inside the while, we can use this one simple line of code. This still uses a repetition. Random ball position is called twice, but it's not nearly as bad as things were before. Now we'd like to take this code and use it inside the new function, random ball position. We'd like to return a list of two numbers chosen this way. Here's one number chosen this way. We'll use a list comprehension, choosing two numbers according to this pattern. Random ball position picks two numbers in this way and returns them in a list. Then we use that list for multiple assignment to assign the two numbers chosen to upper left X and upper left Y. Everything here is fine, except that we still haven't written our willScore function. We'll do that in the next part of this screencast.